I love when you see people, and the first question that I always get asked is, how is the real estate market? So let me tell you what it looks like in September 2022. It is, like my crystal ball, a little cracked. There are some good things going on. There's some interesting going on, but I think overall it's stabilizing. So let's kind of dig into the numbers. Inventory is definitely stabilizing. It had gone up really sharply, and now it's kind of, I wouldn't say leveling out, but we're definitely starting to buy more. You're starting to see more sales happening, and the number of active listings is actually a little bit less than it was a month ago. So that's a good thing. Prices, average prices are down to what they were in spring of 21, which is still, it was a great time. No one was complaining about the prices in 21, but it's off from where the peak was. But here's the more interesting fact. The median price house, median price is the average, the middle of all the sales put together. That's actually up 2%. So what does that tell me? It tells me that the way high listings are not selling. So that's, you've had more vulnerability. Those types of buyers tend to have more money in the stock market, so that they probably have less cash than they used to. And the sellers may not actually need to sell, so they're going to be a little bit firm. So that's not unusual. So but the bottom part of the market, bottom in Silicon Valley, meaning like under 3 million, that's still doing relatively well. Though overall, average days on market has definitely increased. The average days on market is about 24 days for single family homes. So overall, not horrible. Buyers are definitely looking for properties that are fixed up, move-in ready. They don't want to have to come in after spending $2 million on a property and have to update things. So that's a big part of it. FYI, condos, their average price is about fall of 21 as opposed to spring for single family homes. So condos don't have the same price appreciation rates that single family homes do. So therefore you don't see the same kind of dipping on those prices either, because there's just less vulnerability. There's less volatility in that marketplace. So buyers, there is, rumors out there that the Fed is going to be raising their interest rates. What does that mean for mortgages? For mortgages, that typically means that the banks look at where the Fed rates are going to be going, and they look at bonds and other things. And those Fed rates tend to already be baked into the current mortgage rates. So I don't think that there's going to be a big increase in the mortgage rates coming up. Buyers are coming out to the marketplace. So I'm seeing more people coming to their open houses than we've seen in quite some time. So that's a good thing. People are coming off from the sidelines and starting to get into the game. So I think that this is going to be a pretty decent fall. So if you're thinking about it, let's get together and talk. Whether you're buying or selling, we are here for you. Looking forward to answering your questions. If you have any, just give me a call, give me a text. You know it, I respond to whatever you want me to. Anyway, you take care, stay cool, and we'll see you next month. Bye.